Megapixels, DPI, PPI, sounds like a lot of technical, confusing stuff that you might know is associated with resolution. But what is resolution? And how does it impact digital photography? Resolution starts with the pixel, the building block of the image. Zooming in all the way to the photo's actual size, you can see the pixels. At this level, everything is jaggy and square. Pay attention to your resolution so you won't end up with pixelated images. In the digital world, resolution is often talked about in terms of megapixels. Your camera is probably a 4 or more megapixel digital camera. A 4 megapixel digital camera takes pictures that are roughly 2200 by 1700 pixels. Multiply the dimensions together and round to the nearest million. You'll get the megapixel count. The more megapixels you have, the more detail and sharpness your photos will have. Here's a 4 megapixel image I took. It looks great displayed on this big screen. But that doesn't mean it will look good printed out this size, because a printer requires more resolution than this monitor. Where you really run into trouble with resolution is manipulating the image in your photo software, especially with extreme cropping. Right here I have a nice action shot, but there's a lot of wasted space around it. So I'm going to grab the cropping tool and crop in closer. But by doing that, I've thrown away half the resolution. My 4 megapixel image is now down to a 2 megapixel image. We've thrown out so much resolution that a 4x6 print will look good, but anything larger won't look crisp and sharp. The basic mantra is the bigger the better. Make sure your camera is on the highest resolution settings possible and be conservative with your cropping. That way, no matter what you do with your images, you'll be happy with the results.